My mom was always making art. She was stitching, she was doing embroidery. Grandmas and aunties are coming home, they're knitting, they're doing all these things. I never went to art school. Education and learning to us has been through these processes. So it's a lot of the observed culture. And especially for Africa, where I come from, you'll hear about great artists, never about the women artists. Their art making was familiared into craft. You cannot do art for art's sake. You have to make a basket or make a mat. You have to have purpose. My work pays homage to these amazing women. The communities that live around Uganda and the Great Lakes region, I was taught to measure with my hands. My chosen materials to use are natural fibers because they regenerate, they are kind to the earth. This is the beginning of a basket, and something that I've done in working and collaborating with the women is I ask them, do the coils, don't roll it into a basket, and I'll use it from there. The purpose is to share the story of Africa, the story of me, a story that has been ignored, erased, but not anymore.